We set sail on a repositioning or transatlantic cruise from Fort Lauderdale to Southampton, England. The ship, the Celebrity Eclipse, had its first sailing in 2010 and has since been updated. We booked a veranda stateroom 8297. It's early aft for our 12-day cruise. Let's take a quick tour to show you the room's features. Let's get started. I'm going to start with the most used part of the room, the bath. Celebrity provides its X-Bath amenities, bath gel, shampoo, and conditioner. The glass enclosed shower is nicely sized. My guess is it's about 30 by 42 inches, has a wire shelf for toiletry storage, a foot bar for shaving, and grab bars, but there's no adjustable shower head. There's also no laundry line in the shower. Towels are conveniently located on the wall right of the shower. The toilet is also right of the shower as well. At the toilet's right is a narrow shelf that holds Kleenex, hand lotion, and provides additional toiletry storage. A non-skid mat holds glassware or other items in place. The counter space is small, so we just used it for washcloths and wet items like toothbrushes. Two small drawers are available for small toiletries such as cosmetics, and there's also a pull-out trash can. The bath's decor is tasteful with its tiled wall accent. The sink is on the far right of the counter space, a round bowl with a center spigot. Above the sink and shelf is the bath's mirror. Bath storage also includes 3 shelves in the top glass storage cabinet that's on the right of the mirror. Those shelves have guardrails to keep items from falling off. The storage cabinet also contains the hairdryer for the room, and the hairdryer uses a Euro outlet. There's also a bottom closed door storage area with 3 shelves, where only one is usable, since the other 2 contain extra Kleenex, toilet papers, and hand towel. There's also 2 hooks on the bathroom door where you can hang towels or the complimentary bathrobes. Lastly, there's a light above the mirror that serves as a night light. The closet and storage space can make or break your cruise. Not enough storage and you can't seem to get organized. On the Eclipse, there is one large sliding door closet. It is set up as one full-length section for hanging pants and dresses. If you need more hanging space, there are 2 drop-down racks to allow for hanging shorter items, such as shirts and skirts. We also needed more hangers. Just ask your stateroom attendant for them. There's only a floor to the closet, no lower shelf for additional storage for shoes. While the lower level shelving would have been nice, it wasn't a big deal as we had other places to store our belongings. To the left of the closet in the hallway is a full-length mirror. There's a set of closed drawers, an in-room safe, and refrigerator to the left of the desk. The 5 drawers on the left are probably 11 by 14 inches. The bottom 3 are good-sized with a depth of about 5.5 inches. The second drawer is about 4 inches deep, and the top drawer is about 3.5 inches deep. These drawers were just okay as there was limited capacity. The safe was larger than expected. You can get a laptop in it if you do so carefully. The lower section contains a nicely stocked mini bar whose items are available for purchase. The desk is small but serviceable, perhaps 2 to 3 feet wide with a small middle drawer and comfortable leather chair. The desk has a tray with bottled water and chips for purchase, as well as 2 glasses. There are 2 US outlets and 1 Euro outlet on the desk side panel, as well as the light switch for the mirror. There are no USB ports here or anywhere in the room, so bring your charging cubes to make sure your cell phones can be charged. The lack of USB ports was a big negative for the room. We had 2 storage cabinets above the bed that were very handy and provided extra storage. One cabinet held the yellow beach towels for excursions. The sleep area has an oversized queen bed, and you can store your luggage beneath it. On each side of the bed, there is a reading lamp with an on-off switch. However, the right side of the bed's reading lamp has 2 buttons, one for the lamp and one to control the room's main lights. Life jackets are also stored under the bed. Each bedside table with its 3 shelves has no power capabilities, no outlet or USB port. The left side of the bed has a telephone, and these furniture items are showing a bit of age. We use this space to relax at the end of the day. The leather sofa and small movable cocktail table were comfortable. We downloaded our photos, checked emails, or simply kicked back while watching the TV here. The entertainment or TV zone is directly across from the leather sofa. The wall-mounted swivel TV was decently sized with a remote control. It had the usual infotainment, select TV channels, movies, account statement, and ship information. We used the shelf area below the TV to store oddball items such as books, daily programs, and baseball caps. My favorite feature of any veranda stateroom is the balcony. It's 54 square feet and includes 2 chairs and a medium-sized table. We loved it for the calm sea days and for getting some fabulous photos. We brought along 10 magnetic hooks that are useful for hanging miscellaneous items since the room's walls are steel. There's also a temperature-controlled thermostat in the room so you can adjust it to your needs. The room would have been even better if it had more electrical outlets and at least 1 USB port. Or perhaps the outlets that it did have could have been located more strategically. We really enjoyed our veranda stateroom on the Celebrity Eclipse. The 3 things I loved about the room were the shower area, the storage space, and the balcony. The room is efficiently planned and organized. My biggest negative was the lack of USB ports for our electronics, as well as only 2 US electrical outlets. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching. If you like it, consider hitting the like button or subscribing to the channel.